An open house is exactly what you think it is. Just open the door and a flood of people will come in with offers in hand. Well, kind of. Open houses don't work for everyone. The secret to success comes down to how well you market your house, so let's get into it. It's best to hold an open house on the weekend when people aren't worried about all the things that consume our work week. Most real estate agents will do open houses on Sunday afternoons from 2 to 4, and I agree with them. Okay, so now that we know the when and where, you need to figure out how you're going to let people know. If your house is listed on the MLS, your agent can easily input the date and time, so sites like Zillow, Redfin, Realtor, and Trulia will be able to display that to buyers searching online. You can also post it on apps like Nextdoor or even create a Facebook event. Just make sure that all of your neighbors know at least a few days in advance, since you never know who might have somebody in mind that would love to get in your neighborhood. On the day of, make the space clean and inviting, put out some information about the listing, and a sign-in sheet so you can follow up with potential buyers. And be sure to put out the cookies and water too. Be a good host and make the visitors feel at home. See what I did there? Maybe you won't get a flood of people that come in with offers in hand, but if you use these tips, I'm sure you're gonna have some success with your next open house. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more great content like this.